Hi there, welcome to Vodien Affiliate Program. Today we're going to walk you through your affiliate dashboard powered by Impact Radius. By the end of the video, you will learn how to generate and access your affiliate links, monitor your performance and manage your payments. Now let's get to it. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Impact Radius dashboard. The dashboard provides you with a comprehensive overview of your account. Immediately, you will see your available balance and other financial details, a snapshot of performance metrics, a Create Link widget. Also displayed here are your contract terms. On the top panel, you will find Home, Brands, Reports, which contain all the Impact Radius reporting features, including your daily performance, brand performance, and action listing. Content, where you'll find all ads and vanity links from Vodien. On the left panel, you will find search notification and create a link options. To generate your affiliate links, head to the Create a Link section of the dashboard. Click Create and simply copy the link here. Use it to refer Vodien products through your website and social media accounts. This is a trackable link that you can easily monitor on your account's report page. A snapshot graph on the dashboard has details of your account's performance through different metrics. This includes the clicks, payout, sales amount, conversion rate, and earnings per click. This is only a snippet. If you want to run through the reports, hit here. This is where you will find a more comprehensive report presentation. Manage your traffic here and get a better glimpse of your account's performance. You can opt to view your report by brand or day. You can also view your saved and scheduled reports or find them all in the same space when you go to All Reports. Now, for your ads and vanity links, go to Content and click Assets. You will find materials such as banners, coupons, videos, and emails that you can use for promotional placements. Choose which material you want. Click Get Ad Code. Then copy the Generate HTML code and use it on whichever channels you want to display the ad. This is also where you can get the ads tracking link. Your balance is featured on the top right corner of your dashboard. Click the drop down beside it. You'll find all financial details available on your account. Now, the setup on how you'll get paid. Choose bank account, provide your bank account details, and choose your payout method. You can opt to get paid when your earnings reach a certain threshold amount and get paid on a fixed schedule. Click Save and now you're all set. We hope this helps you understand how the program works and how you can better navigate through Impact Radius platform. For additional questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to our dedicated affiliate support team. Thank you.